All right, check out the speakers on the underside of your phone. We have an iPhone here, and I recently dropped it in some sand and dirt and gravel or something, and it's all jammed up in there. So in this video, we're going to be taking a look at how you can clean it. By the way, look at this little plug. I always put this in every morning after I take out the cord, the charging cord. Oh, there's the dog in the back. Hello. And keep that in for such incident. I don't want sand and whatnot going deeper into that charging port. So how do you clean out the speakers themselves? We're going to take off the case. And because it's a little narrow, there may be some focusing issues, but you can see the speakers all jammed up, and the case also has some sand and dirt in there as well. So that's the first step. You'll want to take the case off. And I like to take a soft bristled brush. If you have a broom, you can unscrew the handle and just kind of wisp it away. You could get a damp paper towel for this part as well. And I am kind of brushing it away and just being careful that I don't create, I don't want to see how I'm wiping downward there. I don't want to jam any dirt further into the holes. So notice that technique there. And then I have a shop vac. And as I loosen things up, I'm just going to be using the shop vac to vacuum it up. I don't want to poke and press anything down there further, so I definitely want to extract it, right? If you have a can of compressed air, that could be a possibility. I don't recommend it because I haven't tried it. And your iPhone or your phone might say, don't use compressed air, right? So, but that could conceivably be an option for you. But how I'm going to get the dirt jammed out of the speaker holes themselves, you can see I've got a one of those precision screwdrivers. You could use a toothpick perhaps, or a pin if you have a sewing pin or something. But I like the precision screwdriver, the flathead, because it allows you to kind of put it in there and then either pry it out, kind of like you see here, or you could actually spin it in your hand. And then, of course, have your shop vac right next to you and vacuum that out as it gets loosened up. And you can see we're making progress here. That one I'm not sure is a hole. It's not. I might just need to clean that off with a wet rag. But the speaker holes themselves, look how I'm twisting it here. And that basically just loosens it up. The you're going to loosen it up, and then the vacuum cleaner, the shop vac, will actually suck all that loose stuff out that you just pried up, if that makes sense. So that is the best way that I have found to do so. It's pretty simple and pretty quick. You can see their mission successful, I think. And then we'll take kind of a damp paper towel and just wipe that down to get all the dust and whatnot off. So we will put things back together after that. Put the case back on. And don't forget the plug. I'll put links down below for the plugs that I like to use, but you can pick them up pretty cheap, I think, anywhere online, and that will prevent future issues. Hopefully this has helped you out. Click that like button if it has, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.